Hi everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov. As you might know, Cypress comes with Lodash library bundle in, so you can use Cypress dot underscore to access any Lodash function. Now it's all fine and nice, but I prefer using Ramda functional programming library, which has its own different order of arguments that I think is more convenient and allows me to write more concise point-free functions. So what if I want to use Ramda instead of Lodash in Cypress? Here's how we can do this. Let me create a project. Right now I have just the Git folder. So I'll initialize a new npm package. I'll install Cypress and I'll install Ramda library. Excellent. Now I will initialize a new spec and Cypress JSON using my utility Bakhmutov CLI init bear. I don't need any plugin or support files just yet. Let's look at the files. We have Cypress JSON with everything disabled. We have Cypress folder with a single spec saying it works. Great. So let's open Cypress and let me just use Electron. This is our first spec. It doesn't have anything, any commands, nothing. Okay, so let's say it works with Lodash. So we can say, I don't know, Cyrap, Cypress, underscore, let's say range from 1 to 5 should equal 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we generate this array using Lodash utility method, and we made sure it returned an array with expected values. Now, we want to use Ramda. So first thing, we'll import Ramda. Let's see if this works. Okay, that seems to be reasonable. We don't know how the export is organized in Ramda, and we can just look at what it produces instead of consulting documentation. We can console log R. Okay, undefined. Ooh, I guess it's a named import, and we have to get the whole thing. That doesn't seem right at all. What about individual methods? Map, pipe, map, pipe. Let's see there. Imported correctly? Yes. So I guess there is no default export from Ramda, but everything is imported individually. Okay, so import as R from Ramda probably is what we need. And now we want to be able to use, instead of Cypress Lodash, Cypress Ramda. Okay, well, there is no Cypress.R, but it's easy to do, right? Cypress is just a global object, and we can say its property R is equal to wherever we imported, right? And we just generated the same range, just like we used Lodash before, but we generated using Ramda. And that's it. All the methods are available now. Now, you probably don't want to do this from every spec file. This is why you would actually use a support file, but is loaded before each spec file. Okay, so let's open it up. So we do have now a support file because we removed support file false. Cypress generated this folder. We don't have any custom commands. And inside the index, we just want to import Ramda and set it on a global Cypress object. Let's just do it. Okay. Does it still work? Yes, it does. Because if we look at our network, and I believe, look, just JavaScript, let's see if it's JavaScript. No, it has to be fetch. So every time we are loading, it first loads the support file, which has our bundle code with Ramda, and assigns R to Cypress property R, and then our spec files. So this is an easy way for you to use any library really and put it on a global Cypress so you can use it from any spec